And welcome back. Let's bowl off with some cricket, shall we? The West Indies went down by 39 runs to Afghanistan in the second T20 International as the hosts secured an unbeatable 2-0 lead in their three-match T20 International series on Wednesday in Dubai. Ronaldo Brown reports.
Afghanistan underlined their growing reputation as one of T20 cricket's most dangerous sides, with a convincing 39-run victory of the West Indies in the second T20 International on Wednesday, sealing the three-match series and raising fresh questions about the Caribbean team's readiness ahead of next month's ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Batting first at the Dubai International Stadium, Afghanistan produced a composed and powerful performance to post 189 for 4, built around a commanding partnership between Darish Rasooli and Sedekwala Atal. Rasooli struck a fluent 68, while Atal added 53, with the pair controlling the middle overs with a 115-run third-wicket partnership, punishing anything loose from the Windies' attack. Late acceleration from Azmatullah Marzai, who finished with an unbeaten 26, ensured Afghanistan carried momentum into the second half of the match and set the West Indies a demanding target. Matthew Ford ended with 2 for 25. Now, in reply, the West Indies never truly recovered from early setbacks, having lost Alec Athanaze for 8, Evan Lewis for 13, and Johnson Charles for first ball duck. Captain Brandon King led the resistance with 50, while Shimron Hetmeyer's counter-attacking 46 briefly revived hopes for the Windies, with the two adding 68 runs for the fourth wicket. The turning point came through off-spinner Mujib Rahman, whose spell of 4 for 21, including a dramatic hat-trick, ripped the heart out of the chase. Rahman, who had early dismissed Lewis and Charles with successive deliveries, returned to remove King of the first ball of the 16th over.
Mujib on a hat-trick. That's up in the air. And taken. Hat-trick for the magician.
The West Indies were eventually bowled out for 115 18.5 overs, falling well short of the target as wickets tumbled at regular intervals. King says the team has to improve ahead of the final encounter.
Pretty simple, just looking for improvement in all three departments of the game. Obviously, fielding for sure, we dropped a few catches again this game, and that would help us to restrict them to a lower total. Obviously, we want some better starts with the bat, to set up the foundation for the back end, the hitters to finish the game. So improvement all around, and hopefully we'll just get better with each game.
King also pointed to the innings of Hetmeyer, who smashed 6 sixes and a 4 in his 17 balls 46 as a positive.
Yeah, I think a few of the bowlers have done well. Moti in the first game obviously bowled a really good spell. Jaden as well in the first game. I think Matty came back well in this game, bowling some good spells, and obviously Hetty played and Samson played some good innings in these few games. So there's some positives to look at.
The final match of the series will be played on Thursday morning Jamaica time, and it now offers West Indies a chance to salvage pride. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sports.